Edison Aerospace is on a mission to revolutionize agricultural aviation. With an electric aircraft that can work day or night for hours on end, and can be piloted remotely or autonomously by the same professional pilots working aerial application jobs today, who will save 50% of operating costs and maybe their lives by making the switch. Using our state-of-the-art mobile hangar, electric supercharger, and office. Flying our new aircraft from the comfort of a ground control station. An aircraft that will replace turbine and piston aircraft. It's time for a revolution. For the arrival of green agricultural technology that truly benefits the spray operator, the farmer, and the rural communities they call home. We are dedicated to giving you, the spray operator, a better tool. One that will increase your revenues by cutting operating costs by 50%. And will keep you safely on the ground while working. It is time to consider a better alternative. An Edison electric spray aircraft. Edison Aerospace. Electric, agricultural, aviation.